Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw something on Google Docs. And by that, I mean you can draw pretty much anything. You can draw a diagram, a chart, a face, scribble, or pretty much anything. So here's how you can do that. First, you must navigate to the insert menu and then click drawing, click new. And after that, you will see this window that allows you to draw something on top of it. So if you have a stylus and then you want to use it to, try to draw something with your hand, then you can click on this icon that's called line. You can actually just select the line and then you can choose the type of line that you want to create. If you have a stylus, then yeah, you can use this option called scribble. And then you can draw something. But of course, there are so many options here. So if I create, let's say, a smiley face, so apologize for that, it's not perfect. You can also change the thickness of that line, and you can change the color, and there are so many options available. So let's complete the drawing. Okay, that's really awful. Okay, so that's basically how you can draw a scribble or draw anything, pretty much anything in Google Docs. And when you're done with the creation process, you can click save and close, and this item will be inserted into the document. So let's do that. Right, now we have this document, we have this scribble, we have this item that is now in the document, and you should be able to edit the document later, edit this part later. Just click on it and then click edit, and it will bring you back to this window to modify anything you want. And interestingly, you can actually download the drawing that you created by going to the action button and then click download, and then you can select the format for that image. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can draw something on Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.